Hi everyone. Today this topic name is shapes, names and examples. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
A rectangle has four sides.
A rectangle has four sides.
A door looks like a rectangle. A notebook has a rectangle shape. Circle.
Circle.
A circle is round.
A circle is round.
A ball is a circle. A plate can be a circle. Triangle.
Triangle.
A triangle has three sides.
A triangle has three sides.
A pizza slice is a triangle. A triangle toy is a triangle. Cube.
Cube.
A cube has six equal sides.
A cube has six equal sides.
A toy block is a cube. A sugar cube is a cube. Star.
Star.
A star has pointed corners.
A star has pointed corners.
A star sticker looks like a star. A drawing can be star-shaped. Oval.
Oval.
An oval is a long round shape.
An oval is a long round shape.
An egg is an oval. A mirror can be oval. Square.
Square.
A square has four equal sides.
A square has four equal sides.
A floor tile is a square. A square box looks like a square. Cylinder.
Cylinder.
A cylinder has round ends.
A cylinder has round ends.
A water bottle is a cylinder. A glass is a cylinder. Heart. A heart shape shows love.
A heart shape shows love.
A love card has a heart. A heart balloon looks nice. Cone.
Cone.
A cone has a point at the top.
A cone has a point at the top.
An ice cream cone is a cone. A birthday hat is a cone. Diamond.
Diamond.
A diamond has slanted sides.
Diamond has slanted side.
A paper kite looks like a diamond. A diamond shape is in cards. Hexagon.
Hexagon.
A hexagon has 6 sides.
A hexagon has 6 sides.
A honeycomb is a hexagon. A nut bolt has a hexagon shape. Semicircle.
Semicircle.
A semicircle is half of a circle.
A semicircle is half of a circle.
A rainbow looks like a semicircle. A half cookie is a semicircle. Pyramid.
Pyramid.
A pyramid has a pointed top.
A pyramid has a pointed top.
The Egypt pyramid is a pyramid. A toy block can be a pyramid. Crescent.
Crescent.
A crescent is a curved shape.
Crescent is a curved shape.
The moon can be a crescent. Sphere. Sphere. A sphere is round like a ball.
A sphere is round like a ball.
A football is a sphere. A marble is a sphere. Trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
A trapezoid has one pair of equal sides.
A trapezoid has one pair of equal sides.
A school desk can be a trapezoid. Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
A parallelogram has slanted sides.
A parallelogram has slanted sides.
Some floor tiles are parallelogram. A slanted shape can be this. Pentagon.
Pentagon.
A pentagon has 5 sides.
A pentagon has 5 sides.
A soccer ball has pentagon patterns. Arrow.
Arrow.
An arrow shows direction.
An arrow shows direction.
A road sign uses an arrow. A compass needle is shaped like an arrow. Ellipsoid.
Ellipsoid.
An ellipsoid is a stressed sphere. An egg looks like a ellipsoid. A airship has an ellipsoid shape. Cross.
Cross.
A cross has lines that meet.
A cross has lines that meet.
A hospital sign has a cross. A first aid box shows a cross. Kite.
Kite.
A kite has 2 long sides.
A kite has 2 long sides.
A flying kite has this shape. Cuboid.
Cuboid.
A cuboid has rectangle sides.
A cuboid has rectangle sides.
A brick is a cuboid. A school bag is a cuboid.